Order by allows us to sort the results in a select query. If we run a select query without order by clause, the results are typically listed by the order they are stored in the table. It is important to note that most database management systems do not guarantee that they will preserve the order by which the rows or records are stored in tables. This means that over time, if you make changes to your data or to your tables, the order by which the records are stored in the tables might change over time. Order by usually comes at the very end of a select statement. Therefore, if you have a where clause, order by usually comes after the where clause. After order by clause, we can list the column or columns by which we want to sort the results. After each column name, we can specify the sort order, which could be ascending or ASC, or descending or DESC. Ascending sort order means from lower values to higher values, or from A to Z. Descending sort order means from higher values to lower values, or from Z to A. In this example, we are selecting first name, last name, and email columns from the student table, and we are sorting the results by last name in ascending order and then by first name in ascending order. You can see that we still get all the 999 rows stored in our table by running this query because we don't have any filter or where clause in our query. However, the results are now sorted by the last name in alphabetic order from A to Z. It is important to note that the second column, if we have more than one column after order by clause, the second column will only be used if we have a tie when sorting, when the results are sorted by the first column. For example, here we have 3 people with last names equal to Adams. In these cases, these are sorted by their first name. There is no limit for how many columns you can list after the order by clause. If we don't specify the sort order after column names in order by clause, the values will be sorted in ascending order, or from low to high, or from A to Z. It is also important to note that standard SQL allows you to sort the results based on the columns that are included after the select clause. However, PostgreSQL allows you to sort the results based on any column in your table, even if they do not appear in your select statement. For example, in this query, although I only have first name and last name selected from student, I can sort the results by student ID column, although the student ID column is not included in the results. You can see that the results are not sorted by in alphabetic order right now. They are sorted by student ID, and we cannot see the values of the student IDs in the result set because student ID is not listed after the select statement. Also note that since I did not specify the sort order in this query, I did not specify ascending or descending, by default it's sorting in ascending order, or ASC. The last note is that sorting usually degrades the query speed. So if you don't need to sort the results, you don't have to sort it. If you include order by in your queries, it will typically slow down your queries. We can improve the sorting speed by using indexes in our tables. We will talk about indexing in future slides.